Hey guys, okay, so today I'm gonna do
I can't do this.
What?
It's gonna be heavy.
What? My phone?
Yeah.
Babe!
If it takes long.
Okay, hey guys, so
Why you laughing?
because you're watching me.
I mean,
Okay, hey guys, so I already did like my eyes. I'm just gonna do like a
you're moving it. So I thought you meant to move.
It doesn't work!
It does. You just want me.
It doesn't!
Y ya, yo quiero ver por mí propio mismo.
Okay.
Ay, qué guapo. There you go. Oh yeah, the base be frozen.
Frozen? What?
Oh hell no. Fuck that.
I told you! Okay, so in today's tutorial, so I already did my eyes, which is what I had like earlier on today. So now I'm gonna do like a cat kind of tutorial. This video is inspired by my cat. She's a black cat, Lily. Hold on, I'm gonna go get her. Oh, by the way, y'all, so my stand broke, so my boo is holding my phone. So this is my cat. Her name is Lily. Lily Poo. She loves me. Right, Lily Poo?
She loves you a lot.
Okay, anyway, so this is like a basic, simple cat tutorial. If you hear my dog in the back, don't just ignore him. So all you need for now is black eyeliner. Okay, so all you're gonna do right now, so you're gonna get the eyeliner, and so you're just gonna draw like a little triangle on your nose. So you're just gonna be like, so there's your nose. So again, it's something like super simple, just like a basic cat. So now you're gonna draw like your little dots, and then you're gonna draw your whiskers. So your dots are gonna go like right here. So I'm gonna let it like dry up first. So what I can do for now is, so I'm gonna grab my Benefit What's Up highlighter, and you're just gonna highlight the heck out of your face. Like, that's how you're gonna do. So you just wanna like highlight a whole bunch. Y'all see that? And oh no, my baby hairs. And then you're just gonna blend that in. Oh!
Yeah.
Oh my god!
Yeah, my hair.
That was like the cream highlighter. So I'm gonna use my Urban Decay illuminated highlighter glitter thing. So you're just gonna like put a bunch of glitter, to be honest. Do y'all see all that glitter? If y'all can hear that water, it's not like somebody peeing. It's like I got this fountain, and it's super cute, and it relaxes me because I get so stressed all the time. And then you want to like put, you can put like, well, we're gonna put glitter like on our nose later. So that should be like super highlighted. This side should be super highlighted. He's eating the cat's food.
You want me to hold
So
it?
you're gonna grab just like a colored glitter. Choose your favorite color. Mine's pink. So I'm getting this Revlon Photo Ready Eye Art and it comes with like a cream eyeshadow and then like glitter. So I'm using the glitter side, and these are like super good. So you can just kind of put glitter wherever you want. I'm gonna go ahead and put it around my nose. Okay, so I'm grabbing my Wet n Wild Color Icon blush. Okay, well that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to stay tuned for like upcoming Halloween videos, because I am gonna post like actual serious ones, because this was just kind of like whatever video for the heck of it. So I am gonna post like serious ones. I'm working on like a half mermaid, like kind of scary mermaid look, and then like half like you know, like glammed up kind of look, but we'll see how that goes. So yeah, definitely stay tuned, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Little doggy boo. Can you bark? Who is that boy? Who is that handsome boy?